a little bit, which is nice and epic. I'm gonna use that little thing as like a stream deck, which is gonna be kind of fucking cool and epic. But here is the thing I'm talking about. So what I want to do, this is a surgery robot, right? Okay. Yes, there. God, this wireless shit is so nice. Okay. Surgery robot, yes? This is like a big 3D gantry that moves, you know, in kind of 3 dimensions, you know? You got your up and down for up and down, and your left and right, and your forward and back on like a nice strong double motor setup. What I want to do is, fucking bear with me, is mount like a camera, right? Is mount a camera to this plate so you can like see what I'm doing on the table and control it with the surgery robot, so I didn't spend 2 months of my life building a massive CNC gantry for fucking nothing, which is kind of what it feels like at present. So, but why are we doing this? It's because we need to 3D print a brand new plate for this. Wow, that is awful lighting. But the reason we're starting now is because we're about to finish up the Drill Chan meme. We have some programming left to do, which I'm gonna probably get around to a little bit tonight. Just get it started, get it kicked off. But we're gonna need to 3D print a new one of these guys, because I cannot mount the camera on this thing. This is like a big bulky camera, and this thing it needs like a little bit more headroom on it. It needs a little bit more. The problem is, I will show you. Ah, bastard. Okay, the problem is with the CUM gantry system, right, is there's not a lot of real estate back here. See, this is the back of the CUM, correct? So we're using, oh, you guys cannot see. Oh, shit, can you? Okay, that's a better stereoscopic kind of view. So in here are like roller bearings, which are really nice, and it's driven by this belt system. But this plate I built was built, you know, hold a knife, and we're not holding a knife anymore. We're holding a, you know, big old, like, I don't know how many pounds this camera is. Maybe like 3 pounds. Maybe, I don't know what like 1 pound is, but it's, you know, it's significantly heavier than a knife. So putting this on here is kind of a pain. We need to fit, you know, like a screw through there. It shouldn't be too bad. I'm thinking we actually just extend the bottom of the plate a little bit more and have it attached like that, so that it can, you know, move around the table in all manner of ways. You know, camera go here, camera go over and looks at exactly what I'm doing on the table, so I don't have to, like, every single time I'm doing stuff on the table and I want to fucking move it, I don't have to, you know, go like this like a jackass with the wireless camera, right? I can just use software or some nice little hardware thing to move the camera that is fixed to this massive CNC gantry that, you know, flows across the entire table. And hopefully, you know, you guys get a top-down view, a perfect top-down view of anything that I'm doing on the table. You know, should look, you know, something like, okay, you know, I'd use a different lens, but, you know, it's, you know, move over the table really fast, go up and down, do that kind of stuff. And I need to just start 3D modeling the plate, because we're going to need to 3D print the plate. And that's going to take a long-ass time, because it'll be like, I don't know, this took a while. We actually don't have to redo too much. I'm glad I did this in like a kind of a modular system, where you see these 2 guys here are the things that hold the roller bearings, right? And then those actually attach to like the front plate, which held the knife on the surgery robot. So I don't have to redo these, I just have to redo this. So, yeah. Echo? Oh boy, okay. Are you lying to me? Stream unmute on PC. Wait, do I have a stream on the PC? Wait, no. No, that would be foolish. I don't have it. Oh, it's on my upstairs PC, I think. Oh, boy. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Just give me a second, guys. Up the stairs again. Yep, yeah, I love climbing stairs. It's my favorite fucking pastime, is climbing stairs. Okay. All right, okay.
What if I want to have sex before I get married?
Well, I guess you just have to be prepared to die.
Get back to the garage. See you guys in a second. Back downstairs. There's nothing more fun than this. Nothing more fun than running around the house. 11 p.m. Okay. All right. Okay. Hello. Is it fixed? I will be very angry if it's not fixed. Anyway, I have kind of said what needs to happen. We understand. I think this just needs to be like a little bit larger, the plate, because the plate can actually extend as far as it wants past the bottom. It's not hitting on the, like this, the plate itself. So it can extend pretty far. Maybe measure it. Let me measure it out. Sure. Okay. I literally want, okay, so this current one is exactly 10 centimeters. I would say we want like 15 centimeters with like maybe like a little chamfered edge, like chamfered edges that come in. Something like that. Maybe something like that, yeah. So literally 15 centimeters more from the bottom. And then, yeah, I have to model that, get that printing on the 3D printer. Then, all that, get the printing on the 3D printer. Oh, get the surgery robot working again, since I haven't turned it on since the fucking video. So who knows what the state of that is. Other than that, should be pretty easy. Oh, write a bunch of custom software for it. What's the goal here? To use this big gantry that I built for the surgery robot to move a camera around so that you guys can see what I'm doing from a top-down view that can be changed at any time, and I don't have to run around like a jackass constantly moving the camera angle, right? It just kind of fucking does it, you know, mechanically, which is badass. It's like those Mark-ass Brownlee video robots, you know, except much worse because it is far more unstable. It's like that. The back looks broken, like this. It's like I think it was designed like that, where it's like it slides in and gets stuck, so it like can slide in. Yeah, very unstable. Yeah, it's gonna be a bumpy ride for the camera. Also, like I could improve it, maybe. But I mean, I think this is all right. It shouldn't be that bad video. Like, it'll be fine. And then yeah, have to 3D print it, which is being taken up right now by. I'm printing more 2040 like angle brace things I designed. It's these guys. I'm printing more of those because Lily wants help building something, and it's probably going to involve some braces. So those are nice. I made those myself, which is fucking cool. It attaches this like 2020 piece of aluminum at an 45-degree angle to 2040 piece of aluminum, which keeps it stable. You know, half. It's just a brace. But yeah, it's getting used right now for that. And then when that's done, By then, hopefully we've modeled the plate and we'll be good to go on that.